Are you struggling with constipation? Feeling bloated, uncomfortable, or just stuck? You're not alone. Constipation affects people of all ages, from kids to seniors. And while there are many remedies out there, one age-old solution keeps coming back again and again: castor oil. But is castor oil really good for constipation? How do you take it safely? How does it compare to something like coconut oil? And is it okay to use it in children or the elderly? In this video, we're going to walk you through everything you need to know, from the right way to take castor oil, to simple castor oil recipes, to even massage technique been trusted for generations. So, let's break it down. What is castor oil and why is it used for constipation? Castor oil is a natural vegetable oil extracted from castor beans. It's been used in Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years, especially for digestive problems. The main active ingredient in castor oil is ricinoleic acid, a powerful fatty acid that stimulates the intestines and helps move things along in your digestive tract. So yes, the answer is clear. Castor oil is good for constipation, but only if used correctly, and we'll show you how. How to consume castor oil for constipation. Here comes the big question. How to drink castor oil for constipation? Here's a simple method. Take 1 to 2 teaspoons of castor oil on an empty stomach. Mix it with a small glass of warm water, fresh juice like orange or lemon, or milk if you prefer a milder taste. Drink it first thing in the morning or at bedtime. Most people experience a bowel movement within 6 to 8 hours. Tip: start with the lower dose. Some people are more sensitive than others. Castor oil versus coconut oil for constipation. Which is better? You may have heard that coconut oil can also help with digestion. So castor oil versus coconut oil for constipation. Who wins? Let's compare. Coconut oil has mild laxative effects and supports gut health. Castor oil is a stronger stimulant laxative and works faster. So if you want quick relief, castor oil is your best choice. But if you're looking for long-term digestive support, coconut oil can be a gentle daily option. In fact, some people even mix a few drops of castor oil with coconut oil as a massage oil. And that brings us to our next method: castor oil massage for constipation relief. Yes, you can massage castor oil on your stomach to relieve constipation, especially in babies, children, or those who want a non-oral option. Here's how. Warm a small amount of castor oil in your hands. Gently massage your abdomen in a clockwise direction for 5 to 10 minutes. Cover your belly with a warm towel and lie down for a while. This stimulates blood flow, soothes intestinal muscles, and can help your digestive system wake up naturally. This technique is especially helpful for babies, pregnant women, or the elderly, where oral laxatives may not be ideal. Castor oil and water for constipation. Many people ask, can I just mix castor oil with water? The answer is yes, but it's not the tastiest. Castor oil is thick and sticky, and it doesn't mix well with plain water. But if you want to try it, add 1 teaspoon of castor oil to warm water, stir quickly, and drink it immediately. Some find this easier with a squeeze of lemon or ginger, which also boosts digestion. How much castor oil to take for constipation? It's important to know how much castor oil to take for constipation, because too much can cause cramps, dehydration, or even diarrhea. Here's a general guideline. Children 2 to 6 years, ½ teaspoon, only under pediatric supervision. Children 7 to 12 years, 1 teaspoon. Adults, 1 to 2 teaspoons. Seniors, start with 1 teaspoon and monitor closely. Always hydrate well. Never exceed 1 tablespoon unless specifically advised by a doctor. How to drink castor oil for constipation. Make it easier. Let's be honest. Castor oil doesn't taste great, so how can you make it easier to consume? Here are some easy castor oil recipes for constipation. Orange juice. Mix 2 teaspoons of castor oil, ½ a glass of chilled orange juice. Stir well and drop with a sip of plain water. Warm milk recipe. 1 teaspoon of castor oil with ½ a cup of warm milk. Drink before bedtime for gently overnight relief. Honey lemon water. Mix castor oil with lemon juice and a spoon of honey. Add warm water. This not only masks the taste, but adds a detox boost. These combinations make it to drink castor oil for constipation, especially for people who are taste sensitive. Who should not use castor oil? While castor oil is effective, it's not for everyone. Avoid or consult your doctor if you are pregnant. Castor oil can induce labor. You have intestinal blockages, ulcers, or chronic gut issues. You're giving it to infants under 2 years. You're already taking laxatives or diuretics. And most importantly, always hydrate well. Castor oil draws water into the intestines, which can lead to dehydration if you're not careful. Final tips and summary. So to wrap it up, is castor oil good for constipation? Absolutely, if used the right way. You can drink it, massage with it, or blend it with juices or warm milk. It's stronger than coconut oil for quick relief, but coconut oil is better for long-term gut support. Start with low doses, stay hydrated, and listen to your body. And don't forget, it's not just about relieving constipation. Castor oil, when used properly, can support a healthy digestive rhythm, better sleep, and improved energy. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss similar health tips from Bright Care Health Channel. Also, let us know in the comments about your experience with castor oil. Have you ever tried castor oil for constipation? What worked best for you? A massage, recipe, or a simple spoonful? Stay healthy, stay fit, and as always, take care of yourself.